Hey everyone, welcome back to xlog. Today is quarantine day 1 and we're gonna have a room tour. So many people have been asking me if you need to stay in a hotel for quarantine. The answer is no. You can actually do home quarantine. However, it's required by law that your room has a private bathroom or a separate bathroom. Since our house doesn't have that, I have to stay in a hotel. These hotels are not just any other hotel. All of the hotels have to be certified by the government. So for those that are interested, I've included a list of the hotels in the description below. The government will subsidize 1,000 NT per day, which is around $33 for up to 14 days. And the Taipei City government would also subsidize another 500 NT, which is around $17 per day for up to 14 days. So let's get to the room tour. Let's start from the entrance. So here are the main switches. Notice that at the insert hotel card slot, it's not an actual card, it's just a slip of paper because I don't have a hotel room key since I'm gonna be here for the next 15 days. Alright, let's look at the closet. In the closet, there's a towel hanging there. They actually gave 2 towels, but since I need to wash my clothes every day, I'm using this towel as a drying towel for my clothes. And here are my shoes, still in the shoe coverings. This is the second closet with the standard hotel stuff. There's a safe, some towels, and then my jacket right there. So here's the bathroom. This is a very fancy toilet. Here are a lot of buttons for different ways to wash your butt. I think the seat is a little bit warm. Yes, it is. It's heated. But right now it's summer, so it doesn't really matter. Okay. Ooh, toilet paper. Very valuable stuff. The current currency. Here are some washing stuff. So on the left is detergent, and in the middle I think that's vinegar of some sort. And on the right is alcohol. Here is just good old sink and a bag of toiletries. I think inside there's like toothbrush, toothpaste, shaver, there's even shower cap. And here is a bucket of cleaning supplies. Since no one's gonna be here, there's no room service, I will need to be the one that cleans the room. Most likely I'm not gonna clean the room. Here are some detergent, washing detergent. It's got everything. Toilet brush, little broom. Wow. Well, I'm probably not gonna use it. Here's a hair dryer, and then here's the shower. This is actually a very interesting high-tech shower. There's actually three parts to this. This, and the faucet. So to activate this, just need to turn this knob. Wait, no. So I figured out how to use the system. Alright. Turn the faucet on to activate the shower, the second shower right here. To activate this shower, turn this knob to the middle. And then to activate the faucet on the bottom, you turn the faucet itself. That's how to use this. Alright, so the bathroom door, this is actually quite interesting. You see this is a very open bathroom. Close it by doing this. But it's gonna be me anyway, so it doesn't matter. I'm probably gonna just keep the doors open. And this, the direct view over there, you can actually see the buildings, so I guess you can do your business while looking outside. A little fridge here. I'm assuming I can drink these. And then a kettle. No idea what this is. I can open this later. Here are the instructions for throwing the trash out. It says like, please put the white trash bags in the trash can, and then every day you put everything in the green trash bag right here. And then I believe this box right here is water. And then here's a TV. There's a charging ports, USB, HDMI cable. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my Switch because I left it in North Carolina because I feel like my roommate would be too bored. So I just left it for him to play with. Probably need this screen for my work. Here are the clothes that I laid here. I just cleaned them and laying here for them to dry. And then here is the view. It's honestly not really a great view. You can see the 101 from here, which is pretty cool.
And that's about it. That's the room tour.
Alright, so there was a bunch of stuff lying around in the hotel. Let's open all of them. So there's coffee. This is very important because I need coffee. There's tea. And then coffee mate coffee. 2 types of coffee. Some sugar. This is everything they have in the coffee pack. Up next, we have this. Let's see what's inside. So this, I believe, is a shower cap. And then there's toothbrush, toothpaste, more toothpaste, shaver. Well, this is a lot. Alright. Up next, we have this. So they provided water. I wonder how many bottles of water they provided. 24 bottle water. Wow, how do I even open this in a civilized manner? I guess I can't. Well, I guess I gotta just not open it in a civilized manner. Oh. Well, here's a bottle of water.
Last package.
So here, this, I'm not gonna take it out because I'm not gonna use it, but this is the shoe cover. Here, the thermometer, and then this, I probably won't need it, and an Ethernet cable.